more I researched pizza, I found that it was a food that really nobody had really embraced in Seattle in terms of its authenticity. There's a very rich story of immigration of Italians and Irish coming to Seattle. So when I was ready to open a restaurant, I wanted to kind of bring it back to the Italian community.
Primarily the focus is our wood-fired pizzas. You take a Margherita pizza, for example. It's one of the most simple flavor combinations in the world: the tomato, the cheese, the basil, maybe some olive oil. But when you have the quality ingredients and you treat them with the respect that they deserve and you showcase them, the synergistic effect of them it's moving, it really is. We have to have this because it's so Neapolitan, it just screams Naples.
We really embrace the idea of taking something to its core and celebrating it on the plate.
And there you have it, a Tutta Margherita pizza.